Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to remove supervision from Google account. Since Google requires parental supervision for children under 13, the only way to remove supervision is by deleting the child's account. Open the Family Link app on your device. Tap the three-line icon menu at the upper left corner, then select Account Info, then tap Delete Account. Just scroll down and read the notifications, then tap Delete Account to confirm. If the child's account is over 13, you can stop the supervision without deleting the account. Just open the Family Link app on your device. Tap the three-line icon at the upper left corner. Select Account Supervision from the list, then scroll down, review the notifications, and tap Stop Supervision. The age limit may vary depending on local laws, sometimes from 15 to 16. Stopping supervision will give the child full control over their Google account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.